Kingston Canvas Go Plus 1 terabyte, 200 megabytes per second of pure chaos-ending freedom. Ever had your drone hover perfectly, only for storage full to murder the shot? Or watched a 4K clip stutter because your card threw a tantrum? We've all been there, sweating bullets mid-adventure. Drop F in the chat if you've lost epic footage to a cheap card. Let's make sure that never happens again. That sinking feeling when the red light starts blinking and your heart drops faster than your drone battery. The rage is visceral. But imagine recording hour after hour of buttery 4K while laughing at storage warnings. Total control, zero panic. Keep watching, because that reality is one card away. Say hello to the Kingston Canvas Go Plus 1 terabyte, the smug little beast that hits 200 megabytes per second, reads and laughs at 4K 60 frame per second like it's nothing. One drone pilot was mid-real estate shoot when his old card choked at 87% full, swapped to the Kingston mid-flight, finished the job, and landed a $12,000 contract because the footage was flawless. The A2 rating turns your Steam Deck into a rocket. Games load so fast you'll think you upgraded the internal SSD. V30 and U3 means zero dropped frames, even when you're absolutely hammering it in 40 degrees Celsius heat. It's waterproof, shockproof, X-ray proof, like it personally dares the universe to try. Stick around. I'm dropping the secret reader combo that actually unlocks the full 200 megabytes per second most people never see. A tech reviewer told me, "I've tested cards twice the price that throttle harder than this Kingston." A travel vlogger said she recorded her entire 3-week Iceland trip in 4K RAW and still had 180 gigabytes left. I actually forgot storage was a thing. One Steam Deck addict bragged he's running 22 AAA titles plus a full retro emulation library with zero slowdown. Texture pop-in is officially extinct. I watched a wildlife photographer drop this card in a river, fish it out, wipe it on his shirt, and keep shooting like nothing happened. People whine that 1 terabyte sounds overkill until they experience the freedom of never deleting anything ever again. Thousands of creators now refuse to fly, game, or film without it. See why they're calling it the most dangerous upgrade of the year? Comment your biggest "I ran out of space" horror story below. I'm reading every single one and replying to the most painful. Limited stock keeps vanishing faster than drone batteries on a windy day. Join the drone pilots, Steam Deck gods, and GoPro addicts who've already ditched storage stress forever with the Kingston Canvas Go Plus 1 terabyte. If you're tired of babysitting cheap cards, this is your permission slip to go absolutely feral. Click the link right now, grab yours before the next drop sells out, and unlock the secret 200 megabytes per second reader trick that makes offloading feel illegal. Comment 1 terabyte me if you're done living in 128 gigabytes prison. Go be unstoppable.